everyone. So this is Italia. I am from Shital Academy, Bhusawal. So today I am giving you some 5 tips to make a killer impression, personality development and English lessons. So the most people will judge you within the few seconds of meeting you, and your view will likely never change. The most important thing, that good impression is almost important because you get only one chance at it. So whether they are in your career, social life, then it's important to know how to create a good first impression. So this lesson is by Hitali, provides some useful tips to help you do this. So my first tip is set an intention. So this is the most important thing to do for giving first impression is set your intention. This is especially important before any kind of big event where you would meet a lot of people like conference, network and friend parties also. As you get ready or when are you driving, overthink about that, what kind of people you have and what kind of interaction you want. So this is incredibly grounding experience and works very well to focus on what kind of energy you want for your event. So my second tip is present yourself appropriately. So of course physical appearance matters. The person you are meeting for the first time does not know you, and your appearance is usually clue he or she has to go on. But it certainly does not mean to look like a model, to create a strong and positive thinking. So the key of a good impression is to present yourself appropriately. So my third point is be and confident. So when it comes to making the first impression, your body language as well as appearance is much louder than words. Use your body language to appropriate and self-assurance. Stand tall, make eye contact and greet with a firm handshake and smile. So almost everyone gets little nervous when meeting the person for the first time, which can lead to nervous habits. By being aware of your nervous habits, you can try to keep them in your check. So my fourth tip is be courteous and attentive. It goes without saying, and good manners and polite and courteous behavior is help to create a strong and positive impression. So one modern manner worth maintaining is please turn off your mobile phone. What first impression will you create? If you are already speaking to someone other than the person you are meeting for the first time, anything less and you will create a less than good impression. So my fifth tip is be close on a good note. Keep them wanting more. Show that you had a really good time to see them again. Would you like to see them again? So people don't want good time on the first date. People want what did you as well. So whether they want that reassurance, they want don't be climbing through. So I am till end of this chapter. So I will write back with the new lesson. So thank you.